So, good morning to one and all. How to select a BTech project? So, whenever you are going to the BTech final year or whenever you are in 3-2, so there is a question to you people. So, how to select the BTech project? First of all, what is the interesting domain for you people that you have to decide? That means so coming to the EC background, I'm taking the example EC background. We have the electronics, communication domains separately. In communication, we have the image processing, signal processing. Electronic side, we have the VLSI, embedded systems, and so on. We have the domains separately. So choose which domain is interesting for you people. If the domain is interesting, then it is easy to do the project in that domain. So if you are doing the project individually, then according to your interesting field, you can select the project domain. So if you have a group of 3 to 4 people, then there is a controversy between you people in the domain area. So for that also, we can think about that. If you are doing the electronics project, we can combine that electronics project into the communication project or AI ML projects also, or some other computer science allied branches also we can tie up and we can do the project. So we can use the Python language also for the VLS as well as communication domain projects. So merging of the different domains also we can do a project. That's why select the topic. There is a possibility to do that project in a different domains. Then it will be easy to execute the project easily in any domain also. After selecting the domain in which you want to do the project, then go to Google Scholar. There type the keywords. So which domain you are choosing and what are the topics you have chosen in your batch. Type the keywords, search according to your keywords. You are going to get so many number of Google Scholars recommendation. In that, select any one of the paper which is published recently. If you are doing the project in the year 2025, or if you are going to do the project in the year 2025 June or July, select the year 2025 which are published in the month of January to May or June. That is better for you. Recent papers you have to download. Then first read the abstract of that paper. So next, that is the one thing, Google Scholar. Then otherwise go to the IEEE Explorer. So type in Google, type IEEE Explore. Then there also you can type the keywords or whatever the domain you are going to do the projects. Type the keywords. Then you are going to get the filter options also here. So select in which year you are doing the project. If you are going to start the project in the month of January, so go back just 6 months. That is, if you are going to do the project in the year 2026 January, so go to the 6 months back projects, that is from 2025 June to December. So select those papers only. And one more suggestion is, after going on search in the Google Scholar as well as in IEEE Explore, try to download only transactions. So don't download the conference papers. If you concentrate on transactions, then it will be easy to get the results when we are doing the projects. So don't go for the conference papers which are present in the IEEE Explore or Google Scholar. Try to download the other than conference papers. So this is my suggestion. Okay, it will be better for you if you go to the papers other than the conference papers. So by searching the keywords based on the year and months while downloading the papers, first read the abstract. In that abstract, some keywords or some tools they mentioned in the abstract itself. If those keywords or that tool is already known to you, download that type of papers only. Don't go for the download of all papers. So keywords or tool whichever known to you, download only those papers which are present in the abstract. So try to download 15 to 20 papers. In that 15 to 20 papers, we can able to choose only one paper as our base paper. So after downloading 15 to 20 papers, suppose if you have downloaded 18 papers, for example, in those 18 papers, if you are in a batch, try to divide the papers, aggregate the papers. So 18 means 6 members, 6 papers to each person if you have a batch consists of 3 members. So try to read the paper. So you cannot able to understand in the BTech level IEEE paper or transaction publication. So try to understand the paper. So what they have done. So what are the circuit diagrams in that paper we have, and what is the introduction and what they have done. Try to read the paper and try to understand the paper, what they have done, and read the future scope if it has. So based on the future scope, we can decide so what is the next work we need to do. Based on that, we can select the paper. So after reading the inside contents, introduction and what are the circuit diagrams in that paper, so try to decrease the count to 50%. So previously I told you example 18 papers if you have downloaded, or 20 papers decrease to 10 papers, 18 papers means decrease the count to 9 papers. So in those 9 papers, after reading, try to read one more time. So what are the contents we have in those 9 papers. So then if you are still facing the issue to segregate the base paper, now you can ask your guide help, so to select your base paper which suits to you for the BTech project. So likewise you can select your BTech project. After watching the entire video, still if you have any doubt or any queries anywhere, you can just put a comment in the comment section. I will give the reply to you people. Thank you very much for watching.